Hello everyone, and welcome back to another Raschig USA media production. Today we are going to take a few quick minutes to talk about the Raschig Super Ring, the original 4th generation metal tower packing. For context, let's look back at previous packing generations. The original Raschig ring was the first packing and thus the first generation. Paul rings in the 2nd generation improved the original design slightly, and that design kept getting further improved through the 3rd generation with our low profile rings. So what's so special about the Super Rings in comparison to these past packings? First, because of their open structure, they have lower pressure drop than Paul rings and other modern packings. Second, they have a substantially higher capacity, allowing you to run your systems at higher flow rates. Third, they have better mass transfer efficiency than previous packings and are even better than structured packings with comparable surface area. And lastly, they achieve less mass per cubic foot without sacrificing stability, meaning you get more value for your money without sacrificing quality. The full technical literature for this data can be found on our website. The Super Ring has proven to be such a high performance packing that it is now used all over the world in a variety of applications, from scrubbing and stripping systems to even oil distillation. But why settle at the 4th generation? Raschig is pushing forward into the 5th generation with our Super Ring Plus, which improves the strengths of the original Super Ring through lower pressure drop, higher capacity, and better mass transfer efficiency. These results, along with all results discussed today, have been independently researched by third parties, as can be seen on our website. If you want to learn more about our products and how Raschig USA can help you, or if you need a quote, please visit our website at raschig-usa.com or call our office at 817-695-5680. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and we hope to hear from you all. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you.